How to see external funds on Steam. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see external funds on Steam. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Steam. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After that, tap on the help button right here. We will head over to Steam support after this. There you can see Steam support. Tap on it. And after you tap on Steam support, scroll down till you find my account. Tap on my account. After you do that, scroll down all the way till you find data related to your Steam account. Tap on data related to your Steam account and you should be on this section. So after you're on this section, scroll down until you find external funds used. Tap on external funds used and after that log in into your account and you should be able to see all of your data right here. And that's basically how you see external funds on Steam, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.